In this video, I'm going to show you how to make loaded mashed potato. This mashed potato is so incredibly creamy and smooth that you just won't be able to get enough of it. It's just so good. It's definitely my all-time favorite. It goes best with steak, chicken, pork chops, really any kind of meat will do. Let's get it started. You will need 3 pounds of russet potatoes, quarter of a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of sour cream, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of cheddar cheese, quarter of a cup of green onions, and 6 ounces of bacon. Peel and cut russet potatoes into 1/2 inch pieces. Add them to a large pot filled with salted water and cook until the potatoes break easily with fork for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the potato is cooking, let's prep the rest of the ingredients. In a large pan, cook 6 ounces of bacon. That's about half of a regular 12-ounce package that's sold in stores. Cut the bacon into smaller pieces and set aside. You will need about quarter of a cup of sliced green onions, so take 2 green onions, slice them, and you will also have a little bit to garnish at the end. Next, you'll need half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I used melted cheddar for this, and it's really best if you buy it as a block and shred it on your own. It just melts so much better this way. Drain the potatoes and place it in large mixing bowl. Use the electric mixer to beat your potatoes, add your butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Keep mixing everything together until the texture becomes creamy and smooth. Next, you will add your sliced onions, bacon, and you can use a spatula to mix everything together. Everything comes out to be so smooth and creamy. I am so excited to try this. Also, if you have any bacon or green onions left, you can use them to garnish your potatoes at the end.